آیا قبدی نفرمی آیا قبدی راننده بشی بعدی
On the second day of our journey, the morning of day 2 arrived quietly, and nature slowly awakened. Under a soft winter light, heavy snow had transformed nature, covering rooftops and wrapping everything in a deep white silence, a silence that lived within nature itself, holding both beauty and quiet concern. In the heart of this cold nature, with the help of a relative, we climbed up to clear the heavy snow from the rooftops, lifting the weight from nature's shoulders. Each shovel of snow made the winter of nature feel lighter. Our hands were cold, but within nature, our hearts stayed warm. In the deep cold of nature, being together gave life a new meaning. It reminded us that nature is not only about solitude, but also about connection. In that moment, I realized that living close to nature is not just about enduring cold and hardship. Living with nature means learning kindness, cooperation, and relying on one another. On that snowy morning, beneath a white sky shaped by nature, the warmth of humanity, within the arms of nature, was warmer than any heater. Another beauty of this trip was seeing children sliding on the snow and filling the winter silence with joy with loud laughter. The snow sparkled under their feet and their every movement gave a new rhythm to the white nature. In the midst of the cold weather, their endless laughter was the warmest moment of the trip, a simple reminder of life, joy, and the unadorned beauty of winter. This is where I remembered my own childhood, the days when the snow was so white and untouched, and we filled the moments with joy and excitement with slides and winter games. The sound of children's laughter mingled with my own memories, and for a moment, time seemed to stop and I felt that happy and simple childhood again. In the heart of winter nature, I realized that some moments, whether in the past or today, are always the same and eternal.